My name is Steve Fratick. I am a senior IT Endpoint Systems Administrator for a company called IPS-Integrated Project Services. Headquarters is in Blue Bell, Pennsylvania, right outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We have about 2,000 to 2,500 employees, constantly growing. We have another subsidiary company as well overseas, another 1,000 people there. And our IT team, we have about 20 people globally. In my team, we use Endpoint Central, but our company also uses Service Desk Plus. We also have AD Manager and AD Audit instances, and we have Password Manager Pro as well for managing the passwords. There's 4 things that we really love about Endpoint Central. Those are patch management, managing the Microsoft security patches to the Windows operating system, as well as the Microsoft Office products. Software deployment, so we're able to deploy software in the background to all of our endpoints or to a specific target group of endpoints. And my favorite thing about Endpoint Central is the self-service portal, where we're able to create software packages and we're able to publish them to our endpoints, where a user can go in and install a product without having any interaction from IT team or any administrator credentials. And also the reporting tool inside of Endpoint Central, where we're able to fetch software or hardware details about our endpoints, or create custom reports as well. So those 4 things are crucial in our environment. So I've been at 10 years of IT experience in my career. 2 different companies. My first company, I inherited in my role of using Desktop Central at the time, as it was branded, and kind of just took that and made it better over the years. I left there and then continued that on in my new role in my new company. We were growing at the time, and we implemented Endpoint Central and then took that to the next level. With self-service portal and just making things better in the environment. And we continue to use it because of the customer support and also the cost. The cost is it's right where we need it to be. So compared to an SCCM or Intune, and having to be able to have a person that can keep that infrastructure stable. Sure, yeah. A perfect example of that is in 2020, where a lot of companies were forced to go remote work due to the pandemic. So at that time, we needed a solution to make sure that people were still able to get the support that they needed. At that point, we fully implemented the self-service portal, and we were able to get that up and running for the people that would not connect to the internal network, so they can install software as they needed to, or we can deploy it to them in the background. So yeah, that was a huge deal for us at the time, and it still is, as we're still continuing to work remotely.